zenBusiness has built a reputation for simplifying the complex process of business formation, particularly for limited liability companies, or LLCs. They aim to make it accessible and straightforward, even for those with no prior experience in legal filings. But while they streamline the process, there are still fundamental pieces of information and a few decisions you'll need to make before you can hit that Create Account button. Let's break down everything you need to have in place to create your zenBusiness account and set your business up for success. We'll cover the essential information, the key decisions, and even touch upon what zenBusiness does with the information you provide. First and foremost, you need a business idea. This might sound obvious, but it's the foundation of everything. What product or service will you offer? Who is your target audience? While zenBusiness won't ask for a detailed business plan during the initial account creation, having a clear understanding of your business concept will guide your choices throughout the formation process. This includes thinking about your short-term and long-term goals for the business, as these can influence your choice of business structure and even your state of formation. Next, and critically important, is your business name. This is more than just a catchy phrase. It's your brand identity. Before you even think about setting up a zenBusiness account, you should have a few potential names in mind. zenBusiness offers a name availability search as part of their service, which is incredibly helpful. This ensures your chosen name is unique in your state and hasn't already been taken by another registered entity. Remember, the right business name should be memorable, relevant to your offerings, and ideally, available as a domain name for your future website and social media handles. While zenBusiness can help with domain registration and email, knowing your desired name beforehand is crucial. Once you have your business idea and a potential name, you'll need some basic personal information. This includes your full legal name, your physical address, and contact details like your email and phone number. This information is necessary for zenBusiness to identify you as the founder or principal of the new business. Think of it as standard account setup information, similar to what you'd provide for any online service. Beyond your personal details, you'll need to consider the state where you want to form your business. For most small businesses, this will be the state where you primarily operate. However, some entrepreneurs choose to form their business in states like Delaware or Wyoming due to perceived advantages in privacy or corporate law. zenBusiness can facilitate formation in any U.S. state, but the decision on which state is yours. Be aware that state filing fees vary significantly, and zenBusiness's service packages are typically priced plus these state fees. A vital piece of information you'll need to provide is your registered agent's information. Every LLC or corporation in the U.S. is legally required to have a registered agent in the state where it's formed. This agent is a person or company designated to receive official legal and tax documents on behalf of your business. zenBusiness offers registered agent services as part of their packages, and in many cases, they will act as your registered agent. If you choose to use their service, you won't need to find one yourself. They'll handle it. However, if you opt to be your own registered agent or use a different service, you'll need to provide their name and physical address in the state of formation. It's crucial that the registered agent has a physical street address, not a P.O. box, and is available during normal business hours. For tax purposes, your new business will likely need an employer identification number, EIN. Think of the EIN as your business's social security number. It's a unique 9-digit number assigned by the IRS that's required for most businesses to file taxes, open a business bank account, and hire employees. zenBusiness can assist with obtaining your EIN as part of their service packages, often preparing and filing the necessary paperwork for you. If you choose a package that includes EIN services, you'll just need to provide some additional details about your business's structure and operations during the zenBusiness setup. Speaking of business structure, while zenBusiness primarily focuses on LLC formation, you'll be making a choice about your management structure when setting up your LLC. Will it be member-managed, meaning all members have a say in the day-to-day operations, or manager-managed, where specific individuals are appointed to manage the business? This decision will impact how your operating agreement is drafted, a document we'll discuss next. The operating agreement is another critical document, especially for LLCs. While not always legally required to be filed with the state, it's highly recommended. It's essentially the rulebook for your LLC, outlining ownership percentages, roles and responsibilities of members, decision-making processes, profit and loss distribution, and what happens if a member leaves or the business dissolves. zenBusiness typically includes the creation of a customized operating agreement in their service packages, ensuring your business has a solid legal foundation from the start. You'll need to provide information about all members, if it's a multi-member LLC, their contributions, and their roles. While zenBusiness simplifies the process, it's worth noting that certain industries or business activities might require additional licenses and permits beyond the state formation. These are typically handled at the local, state, or even federal level depending on your industry and location. zenBusiness can provide resources or a business license report to help you identify these, but securing them is usually a separate step you'll need to undertake after your initial business formation. Finally, while not strictly required to create a zenBusiness account, having a clear idea of your initial capital and banking needs is beneficial. Once your business is formed, you'll want to open a dedicated business bank account. zenBusiness offers banking solutions as an add-on, and they can help streamline this process. To open a business bank account, you'll typically need your EIN and your formation documents, like the Articles of Organization, both of which zenBusiness will help you obtain. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.